Alright, this is 9004 on the Norwegian Pearl. This is our front facing balcony. I'm not going to open the doors and go out there. It's been raining here and we're getting ready to leave Montenegro. It was pretty this morning. Very pretty port with the mountains all around. Nice little town. We climbed up part of a mountain. But I was going to show the rest of the room again. So this is starting in the main bedroom, obviously. TV there. Very comfortable bed. Seating area. Mini desk. Another mini desk. Bathroom. Excuse our mess. We've been here for 3 or 4 days now. This is a connecting door. We're not using it, but there's 2 connecting doors. Actually, one over there too that you could be using for someone else having another room. Nice thing about the Haven is we come in every evening and there's new treats. Today, since I'm diabetic, I got some sugar-free cheesecake. There's chocolate strawberries, and there was some finger sandwiches that we had a little while ago. Fruit, candies. There's 2 more balconies over here. We're having drinks. There's a sofa that turns into a bed. The Bose system is playing in the background. There's 10 speakers in here. Like I said, there's another connecting door. The hallway to go out. And then there's a half bath here, which for those of you that have been on other ships, the last Norwegian ship I was on, barely fit in the bathroom. And this is like having a regular bathroom, or at least a half bath. And then, like I said, another TV out here. Not sure I covered this over here, but there's lots of cutlery and extra drinks down below. There's a mini fridge here. Our alcohol above. This came with 3 full bottles since we're on a 9-day cruise. An espresso machine, Coke, water, drinks, etc. And then out here, 2 balconies, 2 doors to balconies that are as big or bigger than a normal balcony on just a balcony room. This is one with tables, and you can see Montenegro from a different view. I said the fog's rolling in just as it rained, and we had the tender all the way down to where that other cruise ship is, way down there in the harbor. That's where the port is, or I mean the dock. Anyway, this is 9004 on the Norwegian Pearl. We've had a very good stay so far. Only been here 3 nights out of 9, and really enjoy the room. So excuse our mess, but I hope that helps anybody that wanted to have an idea what the room looked like. There's lots of space here, and we've been on other suites on Royal Caribbean and other ships, and had regular balconies as well. This is very nice.